Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.
In this video, we will learn about corner center, Barbie and a butterfly dance. Let's start with the corner center dance. Put your feet shoulder width apart and slightly bend to move freely while doing this step. Step to the corner to the right, put your heel up, stepping up on the ball of your feet. Almost half of your weight should be now on your left foot. Now push back to the center point and then step to the next center with your left foot and come back to the center point. For your hands, you can open your hands while you step to the corner and make it cross like this when you come back, and just repeat the process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's learn the Barbie dance. To do this dance, stand straight, shoulder width apart. Open your legs with a little jump to the right side. When you do this, your right leg should be bent and keep the left leg at a slight angle like this. Come back to the center point, open your legs again with a little jump to the left side. Bend your left leg and keep the right leg at a slight angle. Then come back to the center point and keep doing it until you get the hang of it. Now, let's work with our hands. When you open your legs and bend your right leg at the same time, you have to bend your right hand in this way. And also, your left arm should be straight like this. When you come back to the center position, both your hands should be bent like this. And when you bend your left leg, your left hand should be bent and the right arm should be straight. And come back to the center point and just repeat the process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do the butterfly dance. To begin this dance, stand straight, feet shoulder width apart and your knees slightly bent. Simultaneously, bend both knees, lowering your body towards the ground. After bending your knees, open both legs outward to come back to the same position. While doing this, your upper body should also move slowly from side to side, and make sure that you're not just bending it. You should try to move smoothly to make it look appealing. For your hands, you can move them like butterflies' wings in this way. Close your hands while you're closing your legs and open your hands while you open your legs. And again, try to make it as smooth as possible. Like any dance, repetition is the key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, it's time to combine all three steps with the count, and then we will do them with the music. Corner center dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Barbie dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Butterfly dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Let's do it with the music.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings.
I hope you enjoyed the learning today. Regardless of your dance skills, remember that the primary goal is to keep moving. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.